So guys, if this is not good service, I don't know what is. So I ordered this stuff yesterday at about 4 o'clock and it arrived at my door at 8 o'clock this morning. That is incredible. Now I'm not slating mini spares, but if I ordered this off mini spares, it'd probably take about 3 weeks with customs and all the taxes and stuff. And by the time they actually get your order, the last time I ordered, it took them a week to organise the order and send it. And then it took another week and a half with customs and delivery and shit. So this is much better option and it was cheaper than mini spares. So thank you, Galway Mini Centre. Ray, you're an absolute legend. I really do appreciate it. Let's have a look at what we got. So first off, 2 brand new steering gaiters for my rack from the mini spares rack that I bought for the car. Then we have the Goodrich braided lines for the front of the Mini. Now I could have went out and bought loads of gear and made lines, but it actually would have cost me 20 or 30 euro more than what these cost me. So, and these are made for my calipers and the Mini, so yeah, I'm happy with that. And the other bits and pieces that I got, screw nuts for bolting the flanges to the disc. Now I have this steering boot. I'm going to bring this out and just throw it on the car, and then we're going to get these on. Now guys, brand new boot is on. Just need to cut off the ends of the cable ties, and now we're going to get to the brakes. So we have the steering arm on, top arm on, bottom arm on. Just going to get the disc and the caliper out, get them on, and then we can do the lines. I'll put these on backwards. When I was just throwing them together, I forgot to turn them back around and put them on the proper way. But yeah, this should slide on now. Perfect. Lovely jubbly. So that's that on. Let's get this on and the caliper. Now guys, that's that. The good thing about these calipers, these are slidey in. Then you do 2 big split pins in the top and you're done. So just time to tighten everything up and get this wheel on. So once again, Ray in Galway Mini Spares to the rescue again. He's sending out the split pins that I need to hold in the pads because I want the right bits. He's sending them now and hopefully they'll be here tomorrow. So come back tomorrow when we fit the rest of the stuff and get them bled up and go for a test drive. What a hero, Ray. Really do appreciate you getting these out. I literally bought them yesterday and they came this morning in the post. Absolute legend. Let's get these pads stuck in with good split pins. Now with the split pins in, all that's left to do is just open this bleed nipple and let fluid come out when it's ready. So guys, we've used this kit before, so all you need is the size 11 spanner, the Easy Bleed kit and your brake fluid. Back down on all 4, so nice to see. Just going to connect up the battery and starter and go up and down. Right guys, we have brakes. What I am going to do is I'm going to axle stand the whole car up and re-bleed the whole system with my fresh fluid there. So test drive in the start of the next video, so make sure you're watching to see the Mini back on the road. I'm really happy with the outcome of the brakes. They look really good behind there, nice and tidy, and a few more tidying up jobs to do with the engine bay and the lip and the bodywork. Obviously it's been done a few years and it's been driven a lot, so yeah, really happy with the brakes now. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, follow for the next video. Peace out, be dedicated.